look at is called the wag or wigwag. And this is for when you want to keep the angle of the base consistent, but you wish to angle or sweep to the left or to the right. So what we have is on this machine here, we have a lock at the back. And when we loosen that, that allows the C-arm to sweep 10 degrees to the left, 10 degrees to the right. Now, at extension, that probably gives you a sweep of around 20 centimeters. So if you're doing a bronchoscopy and at the end of it, you have to do a sweep, rather than move your entire machine, you can unlock the wag and just do a more universal sweep over the field and have a little bit more control. Typically, that is a very loose feature. So when you unlock wag, you have to be very careful of drift. And when you put an angle on your wag, you also have to be aware that you've now made that correction because your C-arm is no longer perpendicular to your wheels. And sometimes that may skew your approach when you're coming in for some anatomy. So the feature here is wag, and that allows the arm, the receptor and tube to sweep left or to the right.